Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and you are watching the qualities of the Arabic letters. Inshallah, in today's class, we are going to start the second rule of Meem Sakin, which is called Ikhfaa Shafawee. What is the definition of this rule and when we apply this rule in the Quran? Let us start now. The rules of Meem Sakin, and the second rule of Meem Sakin is Ikhfaa Shafawee, and Ikhfa meaning is hiding, like we hide the sound of Meem Sakin into our nose, and Shafawee meaning is lips, as the Meem sound comes from the lips. That's why this complete rule is called Ikhfaa Shafawee. So the definition of this is, this rule is where we hide the Meem Sakin or change it from a pure Meem to an impure Meem or hidden Meem if the letter Ba is precedes it. Like after the Meem Sakin, if Ba comes. A gunna with one alif is also done in this case. So see the example here. The first example, after the Meem Sakin, the next letter is a Ba. Like the Meem Sakin is preceded by Ba. That's why we make Ikhfaa Shafawee, like we hide the sound of Meem into our nose, like we do not say pure Meem sound as with the hard sound of Meem, like we say Rabbahum Bil, which is wrong here. We will say impure Meem, or you can understand like the soft sound of Meem, like we join the lips, but we do not make a strong voice of Meem. We only make the soft sound and we hide it, as it will be impure Meem sound. So we say Rabbahum bil ghaybi, Rabbahum bil ghaybi. We are joining our lips with the soft sound as we are hiding Rabbahum bil ghaybi, Rabbahum bil ghaybi, Rabbahum bil ghaybi. And the second example is, again after the Meem Sakin, the next letter is a Ba. So we hide this Meem Sakin sound into our nose as we say لَعَلَّكُمْ بِلِقَاءِ, لَعَلَّكُمْ بِلِقَاءِ, لَعَلَّكُمْ بِ, لَعَلَّكُمْ بِ, لَعَلَّكُمْ بِلِقَاءِ. The next example, again after the Meem Sakin there is a Ba, so we hide the Meem sound into nose as we say impure Meem sound رَبُّهُمْ بِذَنْبِهِمْ. And this second look here, the second example, here was the Noon Sakin, and after the Noon Sakin there was a Ba, which we read in the rules of Noon Sakin and Tanween. Like if the Noon Sakin is preceded by a Ba, so we convert that Noon into a Meem, and then after the Meem there is again Ba. Iqlab and Ikhfaa Shafawee both has the same rule. What is the difference between Al-Iqlab or Al-Ikhfaa Shafawee? In Al-Iqlab, we convert Noon Sakin into a Meem, and then after the Meem there is a Ba. And here in Ikhfaa Shafawee, here is already Meem Sakin, and after the Meem there is a Ba. We make both on the both places the same sound as we read impure Meem, or we hide the Meem sound, or you remember also we join our lips and then we read with the soft sound of that Meem. And then we say ربهم بذنبهم ربهم بذنبهم, and we make ghunna and we long 1 second. ربهم بذنبهم. I hope you understand about Al-Ikhfaa Shafawee and Al-Iqlab. Both are the same rules. If you have any kind of question regarding this rule, please leave a message under this video. Inshallah, we will try our best to give the answer of your questions. Inshallah, in the next class, we will learn the third rule of Meem Sakin. So stay tuned. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.